the mighty Benelli M4. Gg&G made a new foregrip for it. Let's check it out. All right, folks, welcome back. We got a new little toy to check out for the M4 Benelli. Gonna unbox this open here for you real quick. Ain't gonna take a lot of time. Got some plastic because I've already opened it because I'm pretty impatient. Got instructions. You got compliments of the Gg&G red, white, and blue crew. Right there. 30 years of being in the business, serving the tactical firearms. Excellent products, excellent folks. My invoice. Got the little tag here from the actual plastic that I already opened. The actual product, which was pretty nice. Seems sturdy enough. At first I thought it was like 3D printed, but then I got in here and it looks like a more of a composite type material, which is kind of good. I think it'll last a little bit longer than 3D printed. And in the Constitution of the United States. Now, I didn't know, I've bought a lot of Gg&G products. I don't think I've ever gotten this. This is the Constitution of the United States. Very important, especially nowadays. So get in there and read that if you haven't already done that. Don't take the internet's word for it. You know, take a read. And then peanuts, packing peanuts. Don't eat these. Do not eat these. All right, let's go ahead and put the cool thing on the cool thing, and we'll show it to you.
Take this to your grave.
All right, so after shooting a few rounds, getting a little practice session in with the new Gg&G foregrip for the M4 Benelli, I like it. It's not so different from the original hand grip, which I didn't really want anyway. I didn't want to add more weight to this thing because it's pretty bulky and heavy, and I didn't want to swing around. I didn't want extra weight up here. And so it kept it natural. The only thing that I would have an issue with is that the M-lock, the only two usable slots are in the front, and it doesn't allow you to do some of the other stuff that other people might want, like a match saver or anything like that, because the Argo system is directly behind that. Now, they could have alleviated this by like protruding this the sides a little bit, have them come up a little bit more to give some relief on the other side, so you can get the M-lock bolts under there. But at that point, that's my only gripe is that the texturing on it is pretty nice. It's not so grippy like a stippling job. It seems to be made of some sort of like maybe a glass composite Zytel-ish type thing. It seems pretty sturdy, but it keeps it the same ergonomics as the original. And you'll notice that I did add a heat shield here, the usual. You can see that on other videos with the 1301. It's easy to add, and it adds so much benefit for the shooter. This one is plastic. I've been using plastic ones because it doesn't add weight and it doesn't transfer heat. Like if you have this thing in the sun, you can still paw at it and everything with no gloves. So the plastic is a lot better than possibly the steel, unless you're doing some other stuff like hammering or something like that. But for just natural, regular citizens, the plastic's going to do just as good. So the way this thing goes together, it doesn't allow enough relief to put that little leaf spring assist for the bolt release. But you can also relieve that if you want to. I wasn't really sold on it when I used it. I'm probably going to go for a bigger, like Terran Tactical or something like that. Something that's more consistent along all the platforms that I have. That way it's a lot, it carries over, and that's what I want, is consistency. But just wanted to give you that little bit too. So this was a quick down and dirty review of the Gg&G M4 hand grip. So if you're looking for something that's very simple, it doesn't add a lot of weight, is basically the same ergos as the OEM factory, then this is probably the way to go. It also, if you're building your M4, it'll also be helpful to put this in here for the compliance bit too. But that's about all we have here. Nothing fantastic, blow you out of the water stuff. But that's what I think of it. I'm going to keep it on there, see if it works, if it has longevity. If it cracks or anything, I'll report back. But other than that, that's it. Or maybe you want to dress this thing up with something else. I don't know, down the road. We'll find out. Stay tuned. I love having you here. It's been a while, and I missed you. God bless. I love you. The mighty Benelli M4 Gg&G, Gg. The mighty Benelli M4 Gg&G. All right, I'm done with that.